Hey everyone, and welcome back. This week's recipe review are bacon and cheddar breakfast muffins from A Passion for Entertaining. They come together quickly and bake up beautifully. They also make a fantastic grab and go option for busy mornings. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so these bacon and cheddar muffins were very easy to make. I baked them for 20 minutes and they came out beautiful. For greasing the pan, I used Crisco shortening and it did really well. I also greased around the top edge of each muffin cup since I filled these pretty full and I didn't want them to stick. This recipe made a total of 8 muffins. Now let's get to the taste test. You can see how nicely they baked up. When I took the first bite, it was delicious. There were lots of bacon pieces throughout. It was soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. It did taste slightly dry, but I'll get to that in a moment. This was a fantastic savory muffin. As far as it tasting slightly dry, the main reason I'm sure is because I used Crisco shortening to grease the pan. That usually causes baked goods to be a little darker and crunchier than using something else. But these muffins weren't dry because they didn't crumble and fall apart when I bit into them. They were perfectly cooked. Overall, I give these muffins 5 stars. I enjoyed the contrast in textures between the crunchy outside and soft inside. And you can't go wrong with lots of bacon as well. So if you want a delicious grab-and-go breakfast option, give these savory muffins a try, and I'm sure you'll enjoy them too. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to watch my other reviews in my breakfast recipes playlist.